Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to delete AWS KMS keys. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal, and if you are not on the KMS console under AWS, you know that you have to go on search, type in KMS, which is Key Management Service, click on it, and it will take you to the AWS Key Management Service console under AWS. You click on Customer Managed Keys, which you have created. You click on this key, you see the key action option. You click on disable, confirm that you want to disable this key. We go to the second key, disable, confirm that you want to disable this key. Right. Now, when you go to the keys again and you click on my KMS key one or any one, you click on schedule key deletion, and you can set the period waiting for 7 days, maximum of 30 days. So you click on 7. Then you see confirm that you want to delete this key in 7 days. You click on here, you click on schedule deletion. All right. Same way, you will go to this key, this one, click on schedule deletion. 7. You click on confirm that you want to delete this key in 7 days. Click on schedule deletion. And that is how your key will be deleted in 7 days from the day that on which you schedule the deletion for that particular key. All right. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.